2021 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, heated rear seats, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.